A Canadian man has died while in the custody of U.S. immigration authorities. James Hill started feeling sick just days before he was scheduled to be deported. He died in hospital this week from COVID-19. And as Kamil Karamali explains, his family is now demanding answers.
His name was James Hill, but to Doug Hunt and his family, he was known simply as Uncle Jimmy.
He was our favorite uncle as kids.
And on Wednesday night, the 72-year-old died in a Virginia hospital from COVID-19, alone and scared, when he was supposed to be back home in Ontario, surrounded by loved ones.
It was just so tragic that he was so close to coming back for his new life.
The physician who studied at the University of Toronto and practiced in Louisiana had served a 13-year sentence for writing OxyContin prescriptions without seeing patients. He was technically released in April, but was sent to the Farmville Detention Center in Virginia to wait out some bureaucratic hurdles caused by the coronavirus pandemic before being deported to Canada. It's run by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, known more commonly as ICE. What he didn't know is what would happen there. The center was slammed with COVID-19 cases in June amid complaints of overcrowding and poor sanitation. In fact, some detainees have even filed a court application seeking immediate release, claiming they're in imminent risk of serious illness or death from COVID-19. There have been 290 coronavirus cases at the Virginia facility as of Wednesday. That's more than half of the entire population of the detention center, which currently consists of as many as 400 people.
He was terrified of getting COVID. There was no physical distancing whatsoever.
Hill was scheduled to leave July 9th, but the family says he was hospitalized with COVID-19 symptoms just a week before his deportation date.
It was just so tragic that it was so close, you know.
So his detention actually became unlawful just because COVID spread. He should not have been detained by the ICE.
ICE said it is undertaking a comprehensive agency-wide review of the incident, but for Hunt's family, they're hoping Uncle Jimmy's story is a lesson to make sure changes are made at the Virginia facility.
He begged them to segregate him, and they didn't. And now he's dead. You know, I mean, that's the sad part, that their negligence caused this.
Kamil Karamali, Global News.